guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the team. Hope you guys are all having a great day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about everything you must know and my favorite things that Moomoo has to offer. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. Guys, we just released a brand new swing trading course where we talk about my mindset, how I find stocks to trade. Pretty much it's a one-stop shop for all of your swing trading needs. I'll put it down below. Check it out. It's an 8-week course and we're doing a major Black Friday sale, so check it out right now. Also, right now Moomoo is doing a major bonus, so when you guys sign up, you guys can get up to 15 different stocks. I'll put it down below. Check it out. But let's dive into it. Alright, so for those of you that don't know what Moomoo is a stockbroker that allows people to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and you can even do options, and they do even offer margin investing. Now, the reason why I absolutely love Moomoo and why it's probably one of my favorite brokers ever is because it offers something called paper trading. The great thing about paper trading is this is where you can practice trading, you can learn, you can work on different strategies, entries, exits. Paper trading uses simulated money, so you're not actually using your hard-earned cash. And the great thing about paper trading, like I said, you build up confidence and you just start learning trading. Now, most traders actually fail when they trade in the stock market. Now, the great thing about paper trading is you can get an edge on other traders because you can practice, you can educate yourself, and you can check out my course. But overall, paper trading is probably the biggest thing that I would tell new traders to do is to paper trade for at least 6 months to a year before you even fund your account. And this brings me to my second feature that Moomoo has and I absolutely love. It offers advanced charting. Now, the reason why this is absolutely fantastic is because you can start breaking down stocks. You can look at trend lines, support, resistance lines. Honestly, it makes it super easy to actually look at a stock and understand where it can go in the future. Compared to other brokers like Robinhood, which honestly are just very bleh, they're bland. Using a broker that offers advanced charting and advanced tools will help you get an edge on other traders. Moomoo does offer a variety of fantastic order types. They offer great scanners. And this brings me to my point number 3, is Moomoo offers something called a market monitor, also known as an AI monitor. What it does is it actively searches out stocks to find opportunity in the market. You guys can see by looking at it, it tells you what's going on with different stocks and it can help you get a gauge at what's moving in the market. This makes it really awesome for traders because you can understand what stocks are moving and grooving so you can hop in and make that money. But I honestly love how Moomoo is using artificial intelligence to find these opportunities because we all know AI is the future. Another great thing that Moomoo offers, this brings me to feature number 4, is something called the Moo. The Moo. It's pretty much like a Facebook but for traders. This makes it really cool to stay kind of connected to other people. And honestly, why I love it is because if you have questions or concerns, you can go on and you can ask people that are trading in the market, which makes it nice so you can ask questions and get a gauge of what other people are looking at. And like I said, it is like a Facebook but for traders, so you will have inexperienced traders and you will have experienced traders. So take that with a grain of salt. And this brings me to my 5th thing that I absolutely love about Moomoo is the commission. It is 100% commission free, monthly fee free. It's absolutely fantastic. Now, back in the day, you would have commission on the stocks you buy and on the stocks you sell. And let me tell you, it was absolutely terrible. I remember using like Thinkorswim and it was $7.95 for me to buy and $7.95 for me to sell. And it was absolutely terrible. The great thing about this though is it definitely helps beginners start trading and learning the market. But overall with Moomoo, there is a ton of great things that this broker offers. And honestly, the only downside that Moomoo has is it's just a standard broker's account, which in the grand scheme of things isn't that big of a deal. But some people like to trade in IRA accounts, which is just guided for retirement. But for like 99% of traders, a standard broker's account is going to be just fine. So guys, that is pretty much everything you guys must know before signing up with Moomoo. It's an absolute great broker and the broker that I use and I highly recommend. And I'm not getting paid or sponsored by Moomoo to make this video. I just think that traders need to know what the best broker is, and let me tell you, Moomoo is that broker for me. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe. Also, if you guys want to check out my swing trading course, I just released it. I'll put it down below. We're doing a major Black Friday sale. Check it out, but we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.